Oftentimes at SEMA, you see prototypes that just never come to fruition. I'm Katie Osborne for Truck Hero. Alongside me is Steve Kelley from Extang, and this cover right here is one that we saw a prototype for, but that it's now in production.
That's right, Katie. We debuted this cover at SEMA a year ago, and we launched it in June. So it's up and running. The Xceed is available for customers to buy.
What's the tagline for Xceed?
So that's a cool thing, and we call it seamless and secure. The seamless element talks about how cool it looks and the fact that you don't see the hinge points or the frame elements like you do on many other hard folding covers. And then we launched this new rotary release mechanism, which just adds another layer of security for the product.
Minus being seamless and secure, what's another reason why somebody would really go with the Xceed?
Great question. So the Xceed is Extang's first offering into a hard mount flush cover. They like the flush cover because it's kind of cool, it's disappeared, but more so because it'll fold all the way up to the back window when you need to use the entire bed so that you don't have to remove the cover at all.
Seamless and secure. I like that. More importantly, I like that we really saw this thing come together, come to life here at SEMA 2019.
We did it. It was because of our debut, I'm sure.
Congratulations. What a journey it's been. If you'd like more information on the Xceed, make sure you check out truck-hero.com.